Hello friends and welcome to this very important news update from DCC Immigration. Canada has conducted another all-program draw with the cutoff score coming down further. Let us take a look at the details of today's draw. The third Express Entry draw of September 2020, which is also Express Entry's draw number 164, has taken place on September 30th. In the latest draw, the Canadian government has issued 4,200 invitations to apply for permanent residence. The minimum score required to secure an invite in this draw is 471. The previous all-program draw took place on September 16th, in which 4,200 invitations were issued, and the minimum score required to secure an invite in that draw was 472. The minimum score required to secure an invitation in today's draw has come down by 1 point as compared to the previous all-program draw. Today's draw is the third all-program draw in a row, which means that the trend of all-program and program-specific draws taking place on alternate weeks has come to an end, and we can expect to have all-program draws every second week from now on. This is good news for candidates belonging to the federal skilled worker class, since the cutoff score will surely continue to come down. The tiebreak in the latest draw has been set at March 2nd, 2020, 12:47:08 UTC time, which means that all candidates with scores 472 and above, as well as those with score 471 who submitted their profile to the Express Entry pool before the tiebreak date and time, will receive an invitation to apply in this draw. Now, let us take a quick look at the composition of the Express Entry pool of candidates as on September 28, 2020. To read the full news and further details, please head to DCC Immigration's Facebook page. If you like this video, then please like it and share with other people who may benefit from information given here. For more information related to Canadian immigration and life in Canada, please subscribe to DCC Immigration's YouTube channel. So until next time, stay tuned.